Всем привет! We finally checking in. It was a long term. You go one security, then you go checkpoint control, passports, and another security, then one more security, and this is airport Frankfurt, Germany. It's a nice airport, but it's very big. And remember, if you fly international flight, you should be here at least 3 hours before. This is recommendation from Luxury Travel by Valentina, live from Frankfurt. Enjoy your weekend. We're flying today Boeing, one of the biggest one, and I'm sure two-story Boeing we will be enjoyed. So wish everybody happy holiday, happy new year, and let's see your wish come true. Have a safe travel from Luxury Travel by Valentina.